Hey guys, welcome to Motor Rides. My name is Vipul, and like most of you have been waiting for the launch of the Pulsar bikes. We have not one but two Pulsar 250s here. This model in particular is the F250, and the bike is powered by a 249cc single cylinder engine, and it puts out 24 PS of power and 21 Newton meters of torque. Now, visually, this is very different from all the other Pulsars that we have seen in the last 20 years or so. So, starting with the front itself, you see this half fairing. You get this reverse boomerang LEDs with LED turn indicators, and there is a bifunctional projector headlamp here, which is also LED. You get this nice mirrors which can be folded in completely, like so, and you can put them out as well very easily. Now there is a new instrument cluster as well. Now Bajaj has retained the tachometer and the needle to give a tribute to the old Pulsars, but there is a new display here which Bajaj calls the Infinity display, which has all the telltale indicators, and it has the speedometer, there's a time, there's a fuel gauge, odometer, and there is also a gear position indicator now. Now this bike in particular also gets clip-on handles. You have the engine start-stop button, and here you have the horn, the turn indicators, the high beam, and your flasher. Now Bajaj has also smartly placed a USB charger right here, which you can conveniently use to charge your mobile phones. The bike gets a 14-liter fuel tank, and the tank is metallic, so if you have magnetic tank bags, you can definitely attach them to this tank. This piece, however, where you have the Pulsar logo, is made up of fiber. Now, talking about the engine itself, it is now colored in copper and a satin silver finish right here. You also get a twin pod exhaust here, which is a very stubby exhaust, and let's switch the bike on and give you a listen on how it sounds. You also get a split two seats here. You have the Pulsar branding right here, and a very nice material on the seats have been used. You have the F250 branding here, and you get a 130 by 70 section tire for the rear. You get disc brakes, and you also get a tire hugger like all the other Pulsars. Now the tail lamp has also been changed. It has this unique X shape, like all the older Pulsar used to have just twin LED tail lamps, but this has now a new X shape like a boomerang, which looks really nice. The turn indicators at the rear are also LED. Now we'll also have a look at the N250. So let's go and check that bike out. In terms of technical specification, both the F250 and the N250 are identical. They are both powered by a 249cc single cylinder 4-stroke DTSI engine that puts out a max power of 24.5 PS at 8,750 RPM and 21.5 Newton meter of torque at 6,500 RPM. It's a 5-speed gearbox. Now both the bikes get a monoshock at the rear instead of the Nitrox that used to come in the older Pulsars. At the front, the suspension duty is done by a 37mm telescopic front suspension. On the console, you have the gear indicator, clock, fuel efficiency, and a range indicator as well. Talking about the weight of both the bikes, the F250 weighs 164 kgs thanks to the half fairing that it has, while the naked N250 weighs at 164 kilos. The bikes will be available in Techno Grey and Racing Red colors. The N250 is priced at 1,38,000 rupees ex-showroom Delhi, while the F250 will cost you 1,40,000 ex-showroom Delhi. Bookings for both the bikes have been opened and deliveries will commence from 10th of November. Now this right here is the N250 in the Racing Red colorway, and there are not too many differences as compared to the F250 on this bike. You get the same instrument cluster, with the tachometer, the digital speedometer, which Bajaj is calling the infinity display as it does not have any bezels. You get all the telltale lights. Now this bike does not get clip-on handles like the Fared bike. It gets a normal handle, but it gets the power socket and the same 14-liter fuel tank, which is also metallic again, so you can attach your magnetic tank bags here. Now the main difference is in the front. Now if you look at the front cowl, this is a naked bike, so that you do not have any fairing. You have a different set of DRLs right here, but you get the same bifunctional projector LED headlamp. The turn indicators are also set a little higher, which are close to the instrument cluster. These are also LED. Other than that, the bike is absolutely the same. You get the same step seat or the N250 branding right here. The same set of tires, same set of rubber, the same engine that puts out the same amount of power. The chassis is the same. Now, like the F250, this one also gets a 300mm disc brake up front. This has got single channel ABS. So the ABS is only for the front wheel and not the rear. However, you get a rear disc brake as well, along with the tire hugger, a 130/70 section rear tire, and a 100/70 front wheel. Both are 19-inch alloys on both the bikes. Well, I forgot to mention that both the bikes also get this belly pan. This is made of fiber, so you get a dual tone. Like the part below will be black, and this part right here will be body colored, so it would be either racing red or techno gray. So those were the Pulsar F250 and the N250 for you. Bajaj is calling it the biggest Pulsar yet, and yes, it is, because it is the most powerful Pulsar yet. Now the bikes are on sale already, and you can book them at a Bajaj dealership near you, and the deliveries will commence from November 10th onwards. Now we have not ridden the bike, however, we're going to ride the bike on Bajaj's test track at Chakan day after tomorrow, and we will be coming out with our full-blown review soon. So stay tuned to Motoroid, subscribe to our channel, and press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever that video is up. And whenever you're searching for automotive content, always put Motoroids in your search. This is Vipul signing off. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, rev hard, rev free, and ride safe.